Welcome again on behalf of BookmarksEducare. I am your math teacher, Arup sir. So, today I will discuss on inequations for class 10. Most important questions on inequations are given in our question series. So, chapter overview means introduction to inequation. So, what is inequation? Inequations and inequation or inequality is a statement comparing two expression using less than, greater than, or less than equal or greater than equal sign instead of equal sign. This is the basic definition or fundamental definition of inequation. So this sign is known as less than, this sign is known as greater than, this sign is known as less than equal, this sign is known as greater than or equal, matlab greater than equal. This sign means does not greater than or is not greater than, or this sign means is not less than. So this is all about the sign of inequality or inequations. So now unlike the solution, we will get about, we are getting a single solution of equation. Inequation represents range of solutions. Okay, so suppose 2x plus 3 greater than equal 1. So everything is as it is as in case of equation. So equation में जो हम लोग इक्वेशन में जो किया जाता है, जो रूल होता है, ऑलमोस्ट सेम इन केस ऑफ इनइक्वेशन. सो बट थोड़ा बहुत डिफरेंस है. देयर आर बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन देयर इज few basic difference between inequation and equation that will be discussed later. So minus 2 by 2, so x greater than equal minus 1. So if x belongs to R matlab R stand for set of all real number. So if we, now the solution set will be this, matlab this, and this can be written in set builder form x such that x greater than equal minus 1 where x belongs to R. Okay, so there are two ways solution of set can be written in this form. So one form is this can be written with the help of interval. Okay, so and one type is the form of set builder form. Okay, can be written as set builder form and can be written as in the interval form. So hello Rahul, thank you for watching my videos. If you have any doubt on inequations, please send me. I will try to solve. Okay. So this is all about the solution set of inequation. Now the solution set can be represented on a number line. Okay, shows the solution on a shows the solution visually on a number line using ओपन सर्कल मतलब ऐसा, दैट इज ग्रेटर देन और लेस देन मीन्स नॉट इंक्लूडेड. Okay, I'm explaining. So solution set of solutions of inequation can be represented but on the number line like this. This is number line. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3 and it's going on the right hand side of 0 and minus 1, minus 2 on the left hand side. Okay, so जो सॉल्यूशन सेट होता है इनइक्वेशन का वो कैसे रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है. सो नंबर लाइन में वो ओपन सर्कल से रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है एंड क्लोज सर्कल का मतलब फिल्ड सर्कल ऐसा. दिस इज नोन एज क्लोज सर्कल एंड दिस इज नोन एज ओपन सर्कल. क्लोज सर्कल का मतलब greater than equal, or this is used for greater than equal, this is less than equal and greater than equal means included, value included. And open circle means hollow circle. This is used for greater than or less than means not included, value is not included. So solution set, I am telling again, solution set of inequation shows on a number line visually using open circle for greater than or less than and closed circle or filled circle for greater than equal or less than equal. So if this solution set, if I am asked to represent this solution on a number line. So how can it be put on a number line? So देखो -1 से infinity तक, -1 means this is called closed interval. Okay, so -1 यहाँ पर फील्ड सर्कल हो जाएगा, मतलब -1 is included. Okay, so -1, this value, -1 value is included, means closed सर्कल होगा यहाँ पर. ठीक है, सो यहां से -1 से शुरू करके एकदम इंफिनिटी तक जा रहा है. सो एरो को इस लाइन को थिक कर देना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, मतलब दिस लाइन मस्ट बी थिक लाइन होगा ये. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द number line representation of inequation. Clear? So now we see some properties or characteristic features in inequation or inequality. So हम लोग inequation में कुछ प्रॉपर्टी देखेंगे. उसमें कुछ प्रॉपर्टी है. सपोज a greater than b, where a and b are two any numbers. If a greater than b, then if we add any constant on both sides of the inequation, suppose x, then sign of this inequality will not be changed. Okay, as well as if we subtract any constant or any number from the given numbers or given expression on both sides of inequality or inequation, so there will not be any changes we can find. Okay, as it is. ये वाला एक प्रॉपर्टी हुआ. Second, if a greater than b, if we square on both sides or cubing on both sides, so if we take any power on both sides, any same power on both sides, inequality, so in inequality ये होगा a greater than b अगर होगा तो a to the power n greater than b to the power n when n is positive. Clear? So when a greater than b, when n is positive, so then this sign will be changed. Greater than will be converted into less than. Clear? So this is another property. And if a greater than b, then if we reciprocal on both sides, means 1 by a, 1 by b, then sign will be changed. If 4 number property, if a greater than b, if we multiply on both sides by negative sign included number or positive sign included number, if we multiply any positive number on both sides, then sign will not be changed. So suppose ax greater than Vx. Clear? And if we multiply on both sides by negative sign, negative number, so then sign of inequality must be changed, must be reversed. So माइनस एक्स से अगर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे वो साइड को तो क्या हो जाएगा, साइन घूम जाएगा, ओके, रिवर्स हो जाएगा, ग्रेटर देन लेस देन हो जाएगा, लेस देन ग्रेटर देन हो जाएगा, ये ग्रेटर देन था, ये लेस देन हो जाएगा, ओके. So clear? This is all about the properties of inequation. Now अब हम लोग इनइक्वेशन अगर दिया जाए, इफ यू आर गिवन two or more than two inequations and you are asked to form a shaded region, okay, shaded common region of those inequations or those inequations, okay. So I'm telling again, if some equations, few equations, two or more than two inequations are given and asked to find out the shaded region, okay, then how can it be drawn, or how can it be graphically plot on the graph paper, okay. So suppose 2x plus 3y less than equal 6. This is an inequation. So we are asked to graphically draw on the graph paper and find its solution set, okay. So how can it be drawn? तो हम लोगों के पास तो ग्राफ पेपर नहीं है यहाँ पर, so I'm trying to make you understand roughly, okay. So this is y-axis and this is x-axis. First of all, this inequation we have to convert into a linear equation. Clear? This inequation must be converted into linear equation. First step, okay. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. So this inequation is now being converted into linear equation. Now second step is we have to find at least 2 point of coordinates on the line to draw it, okay. So we have already learned about straight line, so applying straight line intercepted form, we can easily able to find out 2 point of coordinates, okay. So 2x by 6 plus 3y by 6 is equal to 1. So x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 1. So this is the length, 3 is the length of intercept on x-axis and 2 is the length of intercept on y-axis. So 3, 1, 2, 3 and 2 y-axis का measurement क्या है, 1, 2. So ये वाला 3, 0 हो गया and this A and B point, so this 0, 2 हो गया. Clear? So second step is, what is second step? We have to find out at least 2 point of coordinates on the line such that we can draw it, okay. So this 2 point already obtained, okay, from this straight line, from this equation, linear equation. So now third step is to choose a test point. So we have to choose a test point. What is test point? A desirable point which we can assume as a test point. Test point is nothing but a point which can be taken on the side of a line, okay, on the line or on the side of a line, sorry, not on the line, on the side of a line, that will help us to get the solution set, okay, of inequation. So suppose take 0 is 0, 0 matlab origin is the easiest consideration of taking test point, by which first of all this test point can be put on the must be put on the line. So original inequation must be put in the original inequation. So 2 into 0 plus 3 into 0 less than equal 6. So 0 less than equal 6. This statement is true. Okay. So this statement is true. So so 0 is the test point of this line. Now all the solution set will be get on the same side, all the solution set we will get on the same side of the line as origin at the solution. Okay, all the solution set we will be getting on the same side of line as origin. जिस मतलब जिस साइड में origin है उस साइड में solution set मिलेगा. solution उसका जो value इक्वेशन का जो value होता है उस सब value जिस साइड पर लाइन का जिस साइड पर origin है उस साइड पे मिलेगा. ओके, if it is not, if the statement is false but was false, then we would set the opposite side. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम लोगों को टेस्ट पॉइंट सिलेक्ट करना होगा. उस टेस्ट पॉइंट क्या है? 0 0 0 0 बैठाना पड़ेगा ओरिजिनल इनइक्वेशन पर. ओरिजिनल इनइक्वेशन पर 0 0 बैठाने के बाद अगर जो स्टेटमेंट मिल रहा है वो अगर ट्रू हुआ तो देन वी कैन से दैट 0 जिस साइड पे लाइन का, इस लाइन की जिस साइड पे 0 है उस साइड पे सॉल्यूशन सेट होगा. ओके, एंड we have to set that portion containing the origin, मतलब 0 0. okay, so इस साइड पे सेटिंग करना पड़ेगा. अगर ये ओपन इंटरवल मतलब सिर्फ लेस देन था तो इन दैट केस ये होगा, गैप रहेगा, टच नहीं करवाना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, टच मत करना. और अगर क्लोज इंटरवल मतलब लेस देन इक्वल और ग्रेटर देन इक्वल, देन दिस लाइन मस्ट टच द गिवन लाइन. ओके, ऐसे होगा. क्लियर? यहां पर तो क्लोज इंटरवल है इसीलिए सब लाइन से शुरू होगा. अगर क्लोज इंटरवल नहीं है, अगर ओपन इंटरवल रहेगा तो हम लोगों को क्या करना पड़ेगा ना, थोड़ा लाइन से थोड़ा गैप रख के सेट करना पड़ेगा. क्लियर? ऐसे होगा. सो दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन सेट. In this way we can plot we can draw the graph of inequation on graph paper. Okay, this is the method of drawing the graph of inequation. So a type of inequation, हम लोग क्या देखा? First of all, we have discussed about the definition of inequation. Second, the solution set of inequation. What is solution set of equations? The the values for of the all the values of inequation for the variable given statement is make the given statement true. Means all the values of variable in an equation, all the values of variable in an equations that makes the equation true, those value collection of those values are are known as solution values or solutions. If we take it as the form of set, then we can say it solution set. Okay, so उसके बाद हम लोग क्या सीखा? उसके बाद हम लोग सीखा represent on a number line, representation on a number line. How can it be represented in a number on a number line? वो जो सॉल्यूशन सेट हम लोगों को मिला, वो सॉल्यूशन सेट को कैसे हम लोग नंबर लाइन में प्लॉट करेंगे, कैसे नंबर लाइन से रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे, किया जाता है, वो हम लोग सिखा दिया. उसके बाद हम लोग प्रॉपर्टी सीखा इनइक्वेशन का. उसके बाद हम लोग टाइप सीखेंगे. हाउ मेनी टाइप्स, generally how many types we can see in our inequation. So one is numerical inequation. What is numerical equation? In equation only numbers are involved. Suppose 3 less than 8. यहाँ पर देखो 3 and 8, these are number. So this is known as numerical inequation. Second, literal, L-I-T-E, literal inequation. What is literal inequation? Suppose 2x greater than 6. This is known as literal inequation. क्योंकि यहाँ पर suppose 2x plus 1 greater than 6. So in this equation variable is involved. So that is why this inequation will be considered as literal inequation. Okay, so third is linear in one variable inequation, linear inequation with one variable. So this is also linear equation with one variable. So what is linear equation with one variable? An inequation in which the highest power of variable is 1. So those type of and also involved with one and only one variable, and highest power of that variable must be 1. So those type of inequation will be considered as linear inequation with one variable. So हो गया. तो now उसके बाद हम लोग क्या सीखा? ये तो टाइप सीख लिया हम लोग, क्लासिफिकेशन सीख लिया. उसके बाद हम लोग क्या सीखे थे? We have learned about the drawing of linear inequation on a graph paper. वो भी सिखा दिया. Now we will do some sum. We will do some sum regarding inequation. So first sum is A is equal to x such that 11x minus 5 greater than 7x plus 3, where x belongs to R, real number, set of real number, and B x such that 18x minus 9 plus minus 9 greater than equal 15 plus 12, x belongs to R. So first of all we have to solve it. 11x minus 5 greater than 7x, इक्वेशन जैसे सॉल्व होगा लेकिन अगर हम लोग उस साइड को माइनस साइन और रेसिप्रोकल और नेगेटिव पावर लेंगे उस साइड में, तब जाके इनइक्वालिटी का साइन चेंज होता है, अदरवाइज एज इट इज ही रहता है। और जो जो रूल्स होता है इक्वेशन के लिए वो भी यहाँ पर भी सेम ही है, ठीक है। तो 11x से माइनस इस साइड आएगा तो माइनस हो जाएगा 5 + 3, सो 4x greater than 8, so x greater than 8/4, so x greater than 2. ओके, नाउ अब इसका सॉल्यूशन v का 18x minus 9 greater than equal 15 plus 12x, so 18x minus 12x greater than equal 15 plus 9, so 6x greater than equal 24, so x greater than equal 24/6, x greater than equal 4. So we have to find out the range of set A intersection. This matlab this is meant intersection. This sign stand for intersection. मतलब A सेट एंड बी सेट दोनों सेट में जो कॉमन सॉल्यूशन सेट होगा उस सेट को वही वैल्यू को ही लेना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। एंड उस वैल्यू को हम लोग को नंबर लाइन में भी प्लॉट करना पड़ेगा। सो यहां पर नंबर लाइन ले लेते हैं। अब देखो आर तो एक्स तो रियल नंबर ही है, सो 2 से ज्यादा सपोज 0, ये -1, 1 2 3 4 5 6 एंड इट्स गोइंग ऑन। सो 2 से ज्यादा और 4 से ज्यादा और इक्वल, 4 के साथ x का वैल्यू 4 और 4 से ज्यादा, क्लियर। सो ये क्लोज्ड हो जाएगा, क्लोज सर्कल। ओके, आप लाइन को थोड़ा मोटा कर देंगे, ठीक कर देना पड़ेगा। दिस इज द मेथड ऑफ प्लॉटिंग द सॉल्यूशन सेट ऑन नंबर लाइन। ओके, सो ऐसे करके, ठीक है। सो नेक्स्ट सम इज find the range of value of x which satisfy this inequation. इक्वेशन क्या है? 2n 2/3 लेस देन इक्वल x plus 1/3 लेस देन 3n 1/3, 3 whole 1/3. X belongs to R. So this inequation we divide it into two parts. Okay, whenever we are going to solve this type of inequations, we first of all we have to split or divide this inequation into two parts like this: minus 2 whole 2/3 less than equal x plus 1/3 and x plus 1/3 less than 3 whole 1/3. Okay, so now solve it. So minus 8 by 3. So minus 8 by 3 minus 1/3. So minus 9 by 3. So minus 3 less than equal x. As well as we can do same process over here for solving. 10 by 3 minus 1/3 9 by 3, so x less than 3. So the solution set is x greater than equal minus 3 less than 3. So it can be written with the help of interval. ऐसे लिखा जाता है, इंटरवल की सहायता में कैसे लिखा जाता है, ये तो क्लोज इंटरवल है, मतलब x greater than equal, so थर्ड ब्रैकेट हो जाएगा, इंस्टेड ऑफ क्लोज इंटरवल to indicate the closed interval we use this sign, third bracket. Okay, and to indicate open interval we use first bracket. So, or if we are asked to define it with the help of set builder method, then x such that it can be written as second bracket under second bracket within second bracket, x such that x greater than equal minus 3 less than 3 where x belongs to R. Okay, now this solution set we have to put on a number line. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So x greater than equal मतलब -3 वैल्यू इंक्लूडेड है, सो यहाँ पर फील्ड सर्कल कर देंगे. ओके, मतलब क्लोज सर्कल कर देंगे, एंड 3 से छोटा है, सो यहाँ पर ओपन सर्कल कर देंगे. क्लियर? नाउ अब दोनों सर्कल के बिटवीन में जो लाइन है उसको थिक कर देंगे, मतलब मोटा कर देंगे एकदम. बस हो गया. Clear? Now the next sum. Oh, before going to next sum, I would like to say something. On the screen you can see that bookmarks represents new session, that is that naming Dhurandhar series. Okay, so we are giving free doubt in this series. We are giving free doubt clearing session. Okay, and which is started already. So if you have any doubts on physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, as soon as possible you can contact us through this WhatsApp number. Okay, and that the time of contact, that is that not before 10 a.m. and not after 10 p.m. Okay, for every day this helpline phone number is open to all of you. So for doubt clearing, if you have any doubt, please send your doubt or questions through this WhatsApp number. Okay, so we will try to give the answer as soon as possible. Okay, so please note down this number, this WhatsApp number. Through this number you can send us any problem based on mathematics, chemistry, physics, biology. Okay, send your questions or doubts through this WhatsApp number. So, and we will try to give the answer, give the answer of your doubt as soon as possible after sending your questions. Okay, so next sum. Now come to the next sum. 13x minus 20y less than 7. Okay, so सॉल्यूशन सेट होगा क्या क्या सॉल्यूशन सेट होगा इस इक्वेशन का माइनस इंफिनिटी से लेकर लेस देन इक्वल x ग्रेटर देन माइनस इंफिनिटी लेस देन इक्वल 2n 2/13. ओके, सो इसको ऐसे भी लिखा जाता है माइनस इंफिनिटी 2n 2 होल 2/3, क्योंकि क्लोज इंटरवल है, ये क्लोज इंटरवल है इसीलिए ऐसे लिखा जाता है. और with the help of set-bidder method, x such that x less than 2 and 2/3 where x belongs to R. Clear? So we are going to next sum. Given that x belongs to I, solve the following inequation and graph the solution on number line. Okay, so 3 greater than equal x minus 4/2 plus x/3 greater than equal 2. So I said previously that if the inequation is given in this form, first of all we have to split it into two parts. So 3 greater than equal, एलसीएम कर दो इसको, 6 हो जाएगा. 3x minus 12 plus 2x and x minus 4/2 plus x/3 greater than equal 2. So 3 greater than equal 5x माइनस 12/6, सो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर दो, 18 हो जाएगा। 5x माइनस 12, सो माइनस 12 इधर आ जाएगा तो 30 हो जाएगा ऐड करने से। 5 से डिवाइड कर दो उस साइड को, सो 6 हो जाएगा x, सो 6 ग्रेटर देन इक्वल x। यहां पर एज इट इज 6 हो जाएगा, 2 और 3 का एलसीएम क्या होगा, 6 होगा। सो 3x माइनस 12 प्लस 2x ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 5x minus 12 greater than equal to, so 5x minus 12 greater than equal 12, 5x greater than equal 24, so x is equal to greater than equal 24/5, so x greater than equal 4.8. So now the solution is set is 4.8, x greater than equal 4.8 less than equal 6. This can be written like this. So मतलब इसको ऐसे भी लिखा जाता है, लिख सकते हैं हम लोग 4.8 with the help of interval 4.8, क्योंकि क्लोज्ड इंटरवल है दोनों ही, तो इसलिए थर्ड ब्रैकेट यहां पर होगा। ओके, सो 6 क्लियर। और सेट बिल्डर में क्या होगा, x such that x greater than equal 4.8 less than equal 6, x belongs to I, so एग्जैक्ट सॉल्यूशन सेट क्या होगा 5,6, क्योंकि x का x belongs to integer, so that is why we have to take only integers value of x. Okay, so 4.8 is not an integer, is not an integer because 4.8 is a decimal number and 6 is also integer, so nearest integer number of 4.8 and also greater than 4.8 and nearest to it is 5, so 5,6 होगा इसका solution. Clear? And these values, these solutions can be put in this way, can be put on a number line in this way, which I am now writing. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So क्या होगा वैल्यू 5 and 6. सो क्लोज सर्कल कर देना पड़ेगा ये वाला ऐसे, क्योंकि डिस्क्रीट है, रियल नंबर नहीं बोला। रियल नंबर का ही पार्ट है, इंटीजर ऑल्सो बिलोंग्स टू रियल नंबर, पार्ट ऑफ रियल नंबर। सो डिस्क्रीट वैल्यू को मतलब अगर इंटीजर होगा तो नेचुरल नंबर होगा दिया जाएगा, तो अगर नेचुरल नंबर दिया जाएगा तो ऐसे पुट करेंगे, अगर होल नंबर दिया जाएगा तो ऐसे ही पुट करना पड़ेगा, अगर इंटीजर दिया जाएगा तो भी ऐसे पुट करना पड़ेगा। ठीक है, सो नेक्स्ट सम, solve the inequation and grab the solution on the number line. So 2 greater than 2 less than minus 2 less than equal half minus 2x by 3 less than equal 1 and 5 by 6. यहाँ पर x belongs to natural number and natural number start from 1. Okay, so we have to, first of all we have to divide these inequations into two parts. One part is minus 2 less than equal half minus 2x minus 3 and half minus 2x by 3 less than equal 6, 11 by 6. Okay, so now solve करना पड़ेगा. So minus 2 less than equal 6 हो जाएगा 3 minus 4x minus 12, 3 minus 4x, so minus 15 हो जाएगा minus 4x. so minus 4 से अगर वो साइड को डिवाइड करेंगे तो इनइक्वेशन का साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. तो 15 by 4 greater than equal x. ओके, सो यहाँ पर भी वैसा ही करना पड़ेगा जैसे हम लोग यहाँ पर किए हैं. सो 6 3 हो जाएगा 4x is less than equal 11 by 6. so 3 minus 4x less than equal, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर देंगे हम लोग, 6 हो जाएगा. 6 एलिमिनेट भी हो सकता है, एलिमिनेट कर दिया हम लोग. ओके, सो मल्टीप्लाइंग ऑन बोथ साइड बाय 6 तो 6 कट जाएगा, एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा, मतलब वाइप आउट हो जाएगा एकदम. सो 3 minus 4x less than equal 11. so minus 4x 11 minus 3 minus 4x 8. so dividing on both sides by minus 4, so in that case sign must be changed. so reverse हो जाएगा साइन. इनइक्वालिटी का जो साइन है यहाँ पर वो रिवर्स हो जाएगा. यहाँ पर तो लेस देन इक्वल है, तो अगर हम minus 4 से वो साइड को डिवाइड करेंगे तो उसका रिवर्स साइन क्या होगा ना, ग्रेटर देन इक्वल होगा. ठीक है, सो x ग्रेटर देन इक्वल -2, मतलब -4 by -4 1 हो गया, ग्रेटर देन इक्वल 8 by -4 मतलब -2 हो गया. ओके, सो इसको मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं हम लोग. थ्री एन 3 by 4. सो अब सॉल्यूशन सेट क्या होगा ना, x, this can be written as x greater than equal -2. so x greater than equal -2 and less than equal 3 whole 3 by 4. okay, and this can be also written in this form with the help of interval form. okay, so that is written as -2 3 whole 3 by 4. so exact solution set क्या होगा, because यहाँ पर over here x is the set of all natural numbers. so the value of x, all the value of x belongs to natural number. ओके, सो माइनस टू तो नेचुरल नंबर नहीं होगा, तो इंटीजर है, नेगेटिव इंटीजर। सो सॉल्यूशन सेट क्या होगा, इसका सॉल्यूशन सेट होगा 1 2 एंड 3। ओके, क्योंकि जीरो तो नेचुरल नंबर नहीं है, जीरो होल नंबर, एंड नेचुरल नंबर स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 1, सो 1 होगा, 2 होगा, एंड 3 होल एंड 3/4, ये भी तो नेचुरल नंबर नहीं है, क्योंकि ये तो फ्रैक्शनल नंबर है एज वेल एज डेसिमल नंबर। सो इसका इससे छोटा नेचुरल नंबर क्या होगा, 3 ही होगा। सो इस इक्वेशन का जो इक्वेशन दिया हुआ है उसका सॉल्यूशन सेट ये होगा, ठीक है। तो सॉल्यूशन सेट ये होगा, और इसका नंबर लाइन रिप्रेजेंटेशन क्या होगा ना, ऐसे होगा 0 1 2 3। सो 1 क्लोज्ड और फिर सर्कल कर देना पड़ेगा, 1 2 में भी ऐसा ही करेंगे, और 3 में भी ऐसे करेंगे, ऐसा ही करेंगे, ठीक है। सो this is the number line representation of this inequation, and this is the solution set in roster form. Okay, clear, in roster form, क्योंकि यहाँ पर एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू हम लोगों को मिल रहा है, इसीलिए ये रोस्टर फॉर्म होगा, ठीक है। रोस्टर फॉर्म में ही लिखा जाता है। सेट बिल्डर पैटर्न में तुम लोग लिख सकते हो, लेकिन मोर अप्रोप्रिएट होगा ये, क्योंकि वी आर गेटिंग डिस्क्रीट टू फिक्स्ड वैल्यू, डिस्क्रीट एंड इंडिविजुअल वैल्यू, बिकॉज सेट x belongs to set of natural number. Okay, so that is why this is the solution set of this inequation, and as well as this is the representation, number line representation. Okay, so the next sum, इसके बाद और नहीं सम दिया गया ना, वो जो मैंने जो दिया था वो ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन था, ठीक है, छोड़ दो। वो नेक्स्ट क्लास में बट हम लोग डिस्कस कर लेंगे। तो ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन तो हम लोग मैंने ग्राफ पेपर में कैसे प्लॉट किया जाता है तो मैंने पहले से ही बता दिया, लेकिन और एक एग्जांपल देना चाहिए था, लेकिन वो हम लोग तो ग्राफ ये चाहिए ना, देखो वहां पर है, लो, अरे ठीक है नेक्स्ट क्लास में कर देंगे, चलो वो अच्छा। सो we have already done this class, already done. So some important things over here are given, that our contact number is provided, this is our website, and this contact number, through this contact number you can contact us through what, this is also WhatsApp number as well as contact number, you can contact us. This is our website page, and their website address is given over here. This is our YouTube link, so if you please subscribe our YouTube channel such that you get lot of more interesting educational videos based on physics, chemistry, mathematics and biology. And this is also our Facebook link. You can also watch our video through YouTube as well as through our Facebook link. Okay, and this is our Instagram link also. So this is all about our contact, our this is the contact, this is the bridge maker between you and me, matlab our institution BookmarksEducare. This is the bridge maker social platform as well as contact number. Okay, thank you.